GPO 33W charger fast charging Type-C PD3. 0 quick plug-in for phone, mobile, notebook, laptop. GPO Fast 33W Type-C plus USB wall-mounted fast charger can be applied to laptops, tablet, MacBook Air, MacBook Pro 16, smartphone, compatible Samsung Mobile, Apple iPhone, Xiaomi. Output voltage and current 12V1, 25A, 9V2A, 5V2, 4A, 5V4, 5A, 6V6, 5V3A, 5V2, 4A, 9V1, 2A, 5V9V2A, 1V2A, 20V, 9V12V1, 5A, 9V1, 67A, 5V2A, 5V1A, 5V3A, 5V4A, 5V2, 1A, 12V2A, 1V2, 4A, 5V1, 2A, 5V1, 5A, 1V2, 1A, 12V1, 5A. We have been supporting our agents with great conditions to develop business in local market. Welcome you join in us. Looking forward to your contact and advice.